Hello, fashion lovers. I am so excited for today's Walmart haul because, in partnership with Walmart, I am bringing you some unbelievable new winter and holiday arrivals. I will also have a styling companion video to this through our YouTube memberships. And if you want to check out that video, it will be here. And I will also leave info on how to join in the description. So thanks so much for watching. And remember to love your neighbor and be kind. So a very important item for winter is a nice coat, and I thought this Time and True faux wool pea coat was awesome. I love the fit of this because even though it's double-breasted, when it's left open it doesn't feel too oversized, and when you close it off it's actually so pretty and fits really nice. And it does have a little bit of a wider sleeve, and they do have the little tab here, but they didn't put an extra button so you could tighten it. I wish they would have done that. Otherwise, this coat is amazing, and I love the big collar and just the way it fits. And a lot of times Time and True things run big, but they're getting so much better, and this fits very true to size and snugly. And look at the inside. It has a cute pink lining and the little trim, and then the black liner in it. So what a great coat. And I love this black and brown kind of houndstooth plaid, but it does come in some solids. And I think this would be a great coat to have, or it could be a great gift item if you know someone that loves coats, because I just thought this was a lot of fun. And I have it over one of the cutest little shift dresses. So this is the Time and True corduroy shift dress, and it's a little bit plain in the front, but it has perfect pockets here, which I loved. And I think you could wear this casually, put a jacket over it if you wanted to, or you could layer a top underneath it, which if you want to check out my members video, I style this a little bit differently. But look at the back. How cute is that? You could dress it up. It has this cute little bow. Mine's a little bit crooked, but I don't think all of them will end up like that, and you can kind of fiddle with it and get it in place. But what a great little dress that is. I mean, it's corduroy, it's soft and just easy to wear. And this one does come in another color. And I did put tights on. These are my own tights. I can link some if you need some tights, but it is tight season, ladies. And so I put on a little bit of a dress boot. So if I was going to wear this for the holidays, I would put on a boot like this, this is a Time and True slouch kitten heel boot. And you can see the kitten heel here. It has a nice pointed toe that's really comfortable. These, I feel like I could walk in for hours because they just feel so good. And if you have a little bit wider feet, I think these would work for you because I have quite a bit of room in here. But they're wonderful and dressy, and a faux suede that just is so pretty with some dressed up items. And I wear a lot of boots. That's usually all I wear, and sneakers in the fall and winter. So I thought these were a great option to kind of dress up some of your dresses for the season. So the best-selling cardigan at Walmart is back, and in this beautiful burgundy. So this is the Time and True super soft long line cardigan. And if you love Barefoot Dreams, you're going to love this. And it really is the coziest thing ever. It has great little pockets in the front, and I love the length. And this is something you can throw on and wear around your house with your loungewear, and it'll keep you nice and cozy. Or throw it on with a t-shirt and jeans like I have, which I'm not going to talk about the pieces I have on like I usually do. I've talked about them a million times, so I will link them because this is all about the cardigan. And get it now because this does sell out really fast. They have several colors, and these also make very good gift items. I promise you, people will love you for giving it to them because they're amazing, and I would say true to size. This is probably my favorite knit set that I've ever gotten from Walmart. So this little top is the cable knit little hoodie sweater by Free Assembly. And I love how the cable knit looks and how they just did a contrast with the ribbing at the cuff here and at the hem, and I love the hood. I think it's so comfy and fun, and I think this would be amazing layered underneath a jacket or blazer, but worn by itself to be cozy during the winter, this is fantastic. And it comes in 3 other colors, and the matching pants are just the cable knit sweater pants that match it, and these have a nice pull-on waist, and there are perfect pockets in it. And I love the cable knit, and I absolutely love that they put a very cool ribbed hem at the bottom of these, and I love the length. They're a little slouchy but look really good, and this should have been in my high-end looks video that I just did. I will link that for you if you want to see the items in it because they were so good. And I think this looks very high-end and very cool, and the pants come in the same colors that this little sweater comes in, so you can match them or mix them up and do whatever you want. But I would say true to size on both. And the shoes I have on, these are the time and true little genuine suede micro booties that look just like a brand we all know. And these are so awesome in the leopard print, and they do come in solid colors, but y'all, these are genuine suede and they are $23. I mean, you just cannot beat that. I mean, they're amazing. They actually do these every year in a few different styles, and I just absolutely love them. And grab these for yourself or for someone else for the holidays. And I'll be mentioning throughout the video some things that I think are great gift items for people, because we got to get them now because Walmart sells out really fast. So now for the smocked mini dress by Time and True. And it does have a little smocking at the neckline and then at the waist here that cinches. And then it has a nice A-line skirt with a little bit of a ruffle hem. And this one also has lining. And the print is so cute on this. It looks a little bit like leopard, but then it has the kind of gold foil over it that looks so cool. So this would be a great little party dress if you need something for the holidays. Even for Thanksgiving, I think this would be adorable. You could dress it up or down, and I think it does come in other colors, but I thought this was just so cool in this color. And I put on tights and then the basket weave texture free assembly boots, which I've talked about before, but I wanted to make this a little bit more casual. So I put these boots on since they have a casual feel, but just look really high end and very cool. So these also come in brown, and I have the brown as well, and they're comfy and just really fun to wear. I am so impressed with these pieces. So this is the Time and True faux suede little jacket. And y'all, this faux suede is so soft and nice, and it has a little bit of stretch to it. And I love this pocket because they allowed you to come in from the side as opposed to the top. So it's actually usable. And so I thought this was great, and it's so comfy and just really cool. So this is something you could throw on casually, or you could dress it up. I also think you could button it up and wear it as a top, maybe put a little cami or something underneath it if you wanted, but I like it buttoned up. It looks really good. So this is a lot of fun. And I dressed it up just a tad bit over this cute little pink fuzzy sweater by Scoop. I'm loving these fuzzy sweaters this season. I have way too many of them. I think I actually have another one in the video that I'm going to show you, but this pink one just landed, and it's such a vibrant, beautiful pink. And I like that the waistline is a little bit longer. So this one is a little fitted. It's not too bad, but if you are longer waisted, this is going to be awesome on you. I like it on me too. So I also think you could tuck it in really well and kind of dress it up for the holidays. And this is just fun. I love this. And the pants. This is the pull-on Time and True faux suede pants in a flare leg. And y'all, these are so nice because they are stretchy. You just pull them up, and they have just a pin tuck down the front to give it a little bit of detail. And I love this flare leg. Y'all, these are so nice and so comfortable. I think you could dress them up or down either way, but just so fantastic. I couldn't get over these pieces because they look like real suede to me, and they're just soft and actually easier to wear than if they were suede. And so I styled this outfit with these Time and True little block heel booties, which I have absolutely talked about before. They're amazing. They have the almond toe, and I thought the suede with the suede pants was a really good combination. There are so many options for faux leather bomber jackets out there, and this one by Time and True I think is good, especially for the price. It's really soft and great quality, and I love that they just tapered the sleeve down at the wrist. It actually feels really nice. And then it has the elastic waistband here, and it's a little bit of a cropped length, so I think it's going to be great over lots of your sweaters or turtlenecks and all kinds of things. So I love the chocolate brown, but it also comes in black. And I just have it over this free assembly little ribbed cozy yarn mock neck that I've talked about before. These are great for layering. They have a short sleeve, so really easy. And now let's talk about these jeans, because I know they look terrible on me. I'm really sorry, but I had to put them in the video because I know free assembly jeans fit someone, just not me. And these are great. These are the free assembly high rise full length wide leg jeans, and you can see how high it is. If I pull these up where they need to go, they are right under my bust, really. And so I know these fit someone really well. So if you love free assembly jeans because they fit you really good, please let me know in the comments, and let me know kind of your shape and what you like and why they work for you, because I would love to know that information. And they have a nice easy wide leg, and they're dark and have the contrast stitching, and of course they have a longer length on them. These do not come in other inseams, but Their jeans are wonderful. They're really good quality. The washes are always really good. They just don't fit very petite figures. So, but I want to put them in here in case you love their jeans. And I think these do come in one other color. And the shoes I have on were my hidden gems in my last video for high-end looks. And these are amazing, y'all. It's the Time and True Chelsea boots, and they look so expensive, and just the brown finish on these is gorgeous. And they also have them in black, and they're so comfortable and just look so good. I couldn't get over them, and they're easy to get into. They have a zipper on the inside for you. Now for a very fun sweater dress. So this is the Time and True tipped sweater dress because it's tipped in white, and they also added the white to the drop shoulder, which I thought the contrasting color to this just made it really cute. It's also nice and relaxed through the body and down to the knee, so it's very easy to wear on a daily basis. You're going to want to throw this on a lot because it's so comfy, and I think you could dress it up or down. And I decided to put on tights and just an ankle boot today, and this is the Block Heel Booty by Time and True, and I love slim shaft ankle boots with dresses and tights. I just think they look really good. I think Walmart is killing it with their jackets this year. And this is the Time and True Boucle utility jacket. So you can see the pockets on it. And this material is nice and soft and fuzzy. I just love it. I think it's so cool. And the buttons look really nice on this. So all the details that are put into these items, I am just really amazed by, and they just look so good. And this one fits great. It's something you'll want to throw on over your sweaters just to be warm and cute. And I love this color. I think it's amazing. And I picked a sweater that's similar in color to put underneath it. And this is just the Time and True ribbed sweater that's lightweight. And I think this is so pretty. And I love it more than now that I have it on because it's really, really soft. And I think the ribbing in this looks very high end, very expensive. And the color combination here with the burgundy and then a little bit of this lilac-y pinkish purple, I just thought it was cool. But this one does come in, I think, 3 other colors, but this color combination is where it's at this season, I think. And the jeans I have on are the Time and True tuxedo jeans, and they are a straight leg, and you can see the tuxedo stripe, which it's part of the wash, which I thought was really cool. I think they're trying to create unique pieces, and I think they do a very good job. And these feel really good. I was really wanting them to hit at my ankle because I think they would look better that way, but these are pretty cool. They are a little big, so I would definitely say size down because I'm in a 0 and these are pretty big, but they have a great high rise and they're comfy, and I love the look of this black kind of washed out look with the tuxedo stripe. And I think these would be fun. Put a sequin top with them for the holidays and you're good to go, or you can wear them with a sweater regularly and they're cute. And the booties I have on are my Walmart stretch booties, and I won't talk much about these because I think they're sold out now. They went on clearance and were so good and they're gone, but I just thought a nice little heeled ankle boot would be a great outfit finisher for this. So I told you I had another fuzzy sweater, and this is the Fluffy Fuzzy Sweater by Scoop, and I thought the print on this was absolutely adorable. I don't really know what it is, but I thought it looked cool. And this is short sleeve, so it's going to layer great underneath some jackets and things, but I thought I would just show it to you like it is. And it is a little bit looser in the body than the pink one and a shorter length, and I just love this. And it comes in a few other colors, so definitely if you think it's a cool style but don't love this kind of groovy print on it, there's some other ones that you could check out. And I styled it with the coolest skirt. Y'all, this is the faux suede Time and True midi skirt. So like the flare pant and the jacket, they made this midi skirt and it looks so nice. It did have a zipper entry here, so it wasn't just a full pull on. And they have some seaming that is kind of at a diagonal here on the front and the back that just makes it look more expensive. And I love this. Hopefully this will sell out because it's amazing. I am so impressed and it's really comfy. There is still a little bit of stretch in this, and I think you could dress it up or down, and it's really fantastic. And I styled this with some Mary Janes and tights because I did not want to put an ankle boot or anything with this. I feel like I wear boots a lot, and I have this cute little Mary Jane that I got from Anthropologie, a couple years ago, and I just think it's a cute look to put a cute little shoe. And I liked the patent leather with this. I thought it was fun to add another texture. I have three textures on, and this is the season for texture, so why not? So those are all of my winter looks for today, but if you want to check out my high-end looks video that I just posted, definitely check it out here because there's some amazing pieces in it. So thanks so much, and I'll talk to you next time.